Hey everyone, welcome to English class, and today's topic is active passive voice. Are you ready? All right then. Okay, let's begin with an activity. I tell you some situations in the class. The magic pencil is stolen. The test papers were mixed up on purpose. A message was sent 100 times. He was called by a mysterious letter. Students, who do you think did it? Your best friend? Or the principal? Or maybe somebody else? Basically, I want to grab your attention towards the structure of these sentences, which is going to be our today's topic, active passive voice. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify whether a sentence is in active voice or passive voice. Convert sentences confidently from active to passive. Understand when we use passive voice in real life. Okay, what is voice in English grammar? Voice is the relationship between the subject and the verb. There are two types of voice, active voice and passive voice. Active voice, the subject does the action. In passive voice, subject receives the action. Let us understand the sentence structure in this. For example, the chef cooks delicious pasta. This sentence is in present tense. If we convert this sentence into passive voice, sentence will be delicious pasta is cooked by the chef. Let's try one more sentence. My dog chased the cat yesterday. Sentence is from past tense, clearly visible. So if we change the voice in the sentence, it will be the cat was chased yesterday by my dog. Here we can omit by my dog. Why? Because situation is quite obvious. So whenever you find something is quite obvious, we can skip by and the object. We can skip it. So simple structure is this way. Now let us understand how to identify whether a sentence is active or passive. There is a quick trick behind it. Let us understand that. We simply need to understand the structure of any sentence, right? First of all, look for a form of be, which can be is, am, are, was, were, been, being, and be. Followed by past participle. Students, this is important. If you find past participle with any form of be, sentence is surely passive. Correct? You may find some sentences that has by in the sentences. That is also passive voice. But usage of by is not necessary. We can skip it at times. Right? And if sentence is the simple, means the subject does the action, it is active voice. Again the same example, the chef cooks delicious pasta or delicious pasta is cooked. Which one is passive voice? Simple structure is form of be, cooked, past participle. Definitely this is passive voice. How to convert active to passive? Let's understand step-by-step rule. First of all, identify the object in the sentence because it is now going to become the new subject. Let's understand the sentence side by side. My dog chased the cat yesterday. This is active voice. Now understand what is object? The cat. Correct. So we'll bring the cat as new subject. Now find out correct form of be here. Since sentence belongs to past family, I'm putting here was. The cat was. Now I need to put past participle for the verb chase. Past participle will be chased. The cat was chased yesterday by my dog. We can write by my dog or we may skip it. Both are correct. When we find original subject is something unknown or obvious or unimportant, we can skip it. Otherwise, we are going to mention it. So that's how we convert active voice to passive voice. Some quick examples across tenses. Let's try. Are you all excited to try them? All right then. First sentence from from present family. They clean the room. The room is cleaned by them. Very good. Next one from past family. Someone stole my phone. My phone was stolen by someone. Very nice. Next one. We will finish the project. Now, this is future tense. We can identify from the tense will finish. All right, let's convert it. The project will be finished by them. Next one, present perfect tense. Well done. How did you identify that? From has painted. She has painted the wall. The wall has been painted by her. Can you tell me what form of be has been used here? Been. Correct. Now let's understand past continuous tense. I was baking the cake. The cake was being baked by me. Which form of be has been used here? Being. Right. All right, now let's find some situations when we actually use passive voice. When the doer is unknown. Secondly, when doer is obvious. Thirdly, when we want to focus on the action, on the result, not the person. And lastly, when while making some reports, some scientific reports or formal writing or something. Like examples are, my bike has been stolen. It's a mystery. Nobody knows. Doer is unknown. So, my bike has been stolen. The criminal was arrested, obviously by the police. So, we write such sentence in the form of passive voice. It's time to test what you learned. Let's have an activity. Voice flip. I'm going to put three situations, three sentences before you. You need to choose just one sentence and change its voice, active to passive voice. And you will be able to earn extra bonus if you will be able to choose the sentence where we can omit by. Here comes the three sentences. The cat chased the mouse. They built the bridge. She has received the mail. Let's change them, right? First sentence. The cat chased the mouse. The mouse was chased by the cat. They built the bridge. The bridge was built by them. She has received the mail. The mail has been received by her. But in which sentence we can skip by? I leave you with this thought. See you in the next class. Thank you very much.